Well, 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 look who showed up after 2 months. Let's go. I don't even know if I'm going to post this on the channel or not, but if I do, this is my first official unboxing on the channel. So, finally got the Revv1 storage cage in. I'm hyped. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Oh, man. It's been a long wait. Let's go ahead and check it out. Kids, when you're cutting, always make sure you cut away from you, okay? Always cut away from you. Don't cut towards you. Ooh. Okay. There it is, y'all. Nice, nice. Pretty cool, man. Storage cage for the Revv1. It looks good. Also comes with these bolts too. So we got these bolts screwed onto the Revv1. And only thing we have left to do now is to throw it on the bike. So let's finally go ahead and do that. Check it out. Let's go. We gotta make the light. We gotta make light. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Hold up. Wait. Look what finally showed up. My God. That looks crazy. Man, that looks freaking cool. Look, y'all, I know there's been 1,000 videos on the Revv1 storage cage. I don't give a damn at all. This is my video. And after 2 months of waiting, I am so hyped to show y'all this. Just came in today. There was no way I was going to have this and not show you guys this video today. I'm trying to catch light. We missed a little bit of the light. It's about 7:45 here in LA. Usually gets dark around 8, but I had to show y'all this storage cage. Man, look how that looks. That looks freaking cool, man. That looks so freaking cool. You know, when you see it in person, it's completely different than watching it in videos. I watched a million videos with the storage cage for the Revv1, but to actually have it and see it on your bike, guys, it's not the same. It's not the same. Completely changed the look of the bike. Man, that looks freaking amazing. Yeah, so when the cage came in, guys, this was locked. So I don't know why it was actually already locked, but the code is just 000, and then you can turn it. So if you get your storage cage and it comes locked, just put in 000, and then you'll be able to unlock it. Because I was trying to figure out how to get it open. I was like, what's the code? They didn't send me anything. So on this side here, there's a little pin. There's a little hole there, and then you just push that in, and then you can put in your own 3-digit code for whatever you want and then lock it up. But man, this looks so incredible, man. This is badass. Freaking cool, man. Still got my bag in there. Still got all my stuff in there. Fits perfectly. But yeah, I was way too excited, guys. Literally just installed it, sped out my place. Had to show you guys this, man. This was freaking awesome. Yeah, it's just crazy to see it in person. Oh, also it comes with let me show you guys this side as well. So underneath here they give you these little 4 flat bolts, which is perfect because obviously you're going to put something inside of it. So you can use the ones that comes with the cage instead of the ones that are on top of your controller stock, because those sit up a little bit higher. So yeah, they give you everything. Mine came in perfect condition. It's beautiful, man. Worth the wait for sure. Worth the wait. Yeah, but that's it, guys. Just wanted to show you that really quickly, and I'll catch you in the next one.